Quick Fix. Today I would like to show you how to install a ceiling fan or a light in a ceiling that does not have any electricity. And this is how we do it. First of all, you need an electrical tester. Okay, I use a Klein tools. Based Home Depot, Lowe's, you can pick it up for approximately $20. Okay, it's a very good tool. This is how I usually do it. I go to the switch boxes on the wall, because you want to let the ceiling fan or the lights or the light be controlled by a switch. I already removed the plate, okay, and let's see what's hot. When it turns red, that means that wire has current, 110 volts. Okay, so what we do is, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot. This should not be hot, a neutral wire. What I like to do is go to the circuit breaker box and make sure there's no current running in that box. If you follow me. This is a circuit breaker box, okay, that has circuit breakers, of course, that controls the electricity of your apartment, house, condo, whatever you have. Press it off. Now when I go back to the box, this tool should not turn red. It should mean that there's no electricity, and then you can work more comfortable. Now this tester should not go on, should not be red, or should not make a noise. Now it's completely dead. Now we can work on it. The way it's done is, I removed the regular on-off switch. Okay. Remove this, and I installed a double rocker switch. This is called, which a rocker switch is two switches in one. So the wires that I removed from here, I placed them here, always on the gold. The gold means the hot, and in this case there's two hots, so I installed them on the gold screws. Now, in order for the switch to work, okay, we turn it on this side, okay, and this is the Romex wire that I'm going to run, okay. I made a temporary line here. So before I run the lines through the walls and to the ceiling, okay, I just made a little jumper wire, a little test. So if it works here, okay, it's definitely going to work in the ceiling. And pretend it's all ran. But just remember, this is the sample jumper wire. So what you do is, this wire here, okay, it's called a Romex. It's a 12-2 Romex, it's called, meaning 2 wire. 12 means the thickness, the diameter of the wire. It's going to give you a black wire here and a white wire. The black wire is going to go, again, this is done already, on the other side. And the neutral, the white wire, was here already. So you just, what I did was, these are called cap nuts. So this, I just put it together and just screw this on. Let's just screw the cap nut on. Okay. And it looks kind of difficult, but if you follow these directions or you email me, I'll explain it more in detail. But that's basically how it works. Light goes on. Light goes on. That means when we install, when we run the wires through the walls, in the ceiling, we install the light or ceiling fan or whatever you want, a chandelier, okay? The light will go on and it will be controlled by this switch here. On, off, on, off. Now I'm going to show you how to run the wires through the wall into the ceiling. The first thing I do is I see the room, okay, and I want to get the center of the room. So what I do is I measure whatever this measurement is. Okay, whatever this measurement is, 224 inches, so it's 112. So I mark 112 inches, and I measure it this way, whatever that measurement is. Anyway, I got the center. Okay, just measure this, okay, whatever it is, divided in two, you get the center, okay, and where the center is, what I usually do is get like a paint, whatever you have, a stick, paint stick, anything you have. So when I get the center, I put a level here and just go up, and I get the center. Boom. And what I do is I just cut it out because that's where I'm going to mount this electrical box. Okay? So then what I do is I know this cavity. By cavity I mean there's going to be rafters here. There should be 16 inches on center. Okay? Gives me like approximately 15 and a half inches. That's approximately. So I know this cavity here is empty. So I move on and I make another cut out here. Another cut out here. I'm going to take that sheetrock off. Okay? And I don't want to go in here because this is a support. This supports the second floor. Don't want to touch that. So after I take that sheetrock off here, okay, I'm going to go this way. Maybe another cut out here, maybe another square, and drop it down and connect it to the switch, which I'm going to show you step by step. Let me take that piece of sheetrock off, do this, and I'll get back to you in a couple of seconds. Thank you. Hi guys. Okay, just wanted to show you a few things. Before I showed you how to put the switch and everything. Now, to get the wires through the wall and into the ceiling, you have to make a few cuts into the sheetrock and a few holes into the studs, so that you could pass the wires through the switch. So this is what we do. Okay, that's where the ceiling thing is going. Okay, so I use this cavity. The cavity means from one rafter to the other rafter. The inside of the two rafters is called the cavity. Okay, so by that saying, I follow through. And I made another cut out here, meaning the wires are going to go from there to here. Okay, from there to here. From there to here, from there to here, okay, which I notched out the wood so I could put this piece of Rolex table flat, okay, and and afterwards I'm going to re-sheetrock it, tape it, paint it, and you won't even know I did good work. It's going to fit like, it's going to look like it was always there. That's saying, okay, after that, I'm going to drop the wires down, okay, drop the wires down, okay, and which I made a hole into this 2x4, which I'm going to bypass it into this hole. When you run the wires now, very important, there is 2x4s here, and another 2x4 here, and it's between this 2x4 and this 2x4, that's called the cavity, that's what I meant. It's empty here. So the wire needs to go that way. So if there is a 2x4 here, okay, we're going to have to drill a hole here. Drill a hole here, drill a hole here, and so on. So there we go. Sample wire goes in. Now I'm going to be using the wire that I'm going to be permanently be installing underneath the sheetrock. Hi guys, if you're wondering how you run the wires from there to here, to there to here, this is what I use. This is called a snake, electrical snake. What I do is I feed it from here to that hole. And then, here we go. And I put the wire in. Fred, can you feed that to me, please? Okay. Just a little bit more, and then the wire. Just wanted to show you, the wires are in there, okay? It's going into this cavity. I looped it around, I drilled a hole here. Now I'm just snaking it in this way. Looping it in, and on this way, and this way. And the object is to get this wire here, down to here, to connect it to this switch, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So we installed the wires inside the wall and inside the ceiling, which you see here. I had to cut the sheetrock. I just put this bulb here as a tester. Again, I had to put the sheetrock there. Run the wires down here. Drill a hole into the 2x4 here, and you see it here. Romex, and I connected it to this switch here. So if we flick this on, we have light. So now what we have to do is do all the cosmetic work. Put some sheetrock, okay, drum compound it, sand it down, paint it, and put a electrical box that I have here, which is going to be mounted into the stud. Okay, just drill a couple of screws here, a couple of holes here. I'm sorry, nice and tight. And I'll show you the finished product. Hi guys, this is Vinny from Vinny Quick Fix. I just want to show you the completed job of that ceiling fan that did not have any lights, any wires in the walls and in the ceiling. So if you remember our last video, I was making squares to run the wires all around here and down here. Well, the job is completed, okay? Which you should see, it's all patched up, new sheetrock, all around, and this is the ceiling fan now, which works for the light. That's the light, and this is the speed for the AC. And The best thing about it is, works with a switch here. Rains off. And another good feature is entry door. You watch this. You open the door, it's going to be dark, and all you do is put the switch on, and there you go. This is Vinny from Vinny Quick Fix. Thank you so much. God bless.